These endless mountains of rubber became a stark symbol of the growing environmental crisis throughout the decade.
Product that represents the solution to the waste crisis.
We take what others throw away and craft it into something beautiful and durable. That is the future of footwear.
The contrast is shocking. From this rough, oxidized fragment, we get this precision sole. But the fascinating part is the recycled material
Welcome to the heart of the operation, the sacred space where transformation begins.
We really nailed that last batch. The quality control guys were impressed.
Yeah, another day, another dollar, transforming trash into treasure.
All right, let's gear up for the next round, gentlemen.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.